Hi everyone! Today we're diving into a concept called reverging. Diverging and converging are well-known terms in the world of creative problem solving. Diverging is about generating a wide variety of options. Converging is about focusing on the interesting ones. Today we will talk about the stage in between the two, reverging. To explain the purpose of reverging, let's take a look at the definition of creativity that is often used. Creativity is the process that leads to novel and useful solutions to a given open problem. A paradox in this creative process is arising, which is also known as the creadox. Diverging is all about coming up with as many options as possible without worrying about whether they're good or bad. Essentially, anything goes as we aim for novelty. However, when we shift to converging and start selecting options, we have the tendency to focus mainly on the ones that seem feasible or useful, the ones that we can see ourselves implementing. So there is a fair chance that the most creative or unusual options might get overlooked. This could happen if the resource group doesn't fully understand this new option, because it's not well explained, or it seems too radical or unrealistic. And that's pretty normal, right? New ideas can be hard to grasp, especially if they require us to change our usual way of thinking. And that's exactly why we need an additional step, reverging. It serves as a bridge, allowing all options from the diverging stage, including the new and often still fragile ones, a chance to survive the convergent stage. Now, let's explore what reverging really does. In the reverging stage, the resource group revisits all the options that were generated in the diverging stage. This will result in 3 benefits. The first one is that this stage helps in better understanding both the problem as well as the solution space. It is a moment to pause and look at all the options, to see what options you have, whether those are the options you were looking for, and whether you're still missing certain options. It helps in understanding and refining the problem and solution space better as they co-evolve. Additionally, reverging eases the transition from the high energy, anything goes mindset of diverging to a more focused and converging mindset. And finally, reverging plays a key role in group dynamics. This is the stage where a shared understanding within the resource group is built. Options that are not clear are explained, and new or vague options come to life in the minds of the participants as they are discussed. This helps in building consensus and acceptance for the options that will be chosen later in the convergent state. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now have a better understanding of the reverging process and its importance in integrated creative problem solving.